right, folks, on a repair job here in Georgia, and I'm actually down in Fayetteville doing a repair job, and this, what you're looking at, is a bull run valve. This is a valve, bull run valve. It is a valve that lets you use two different systems. So evidently, I don't know anything about this system. Nothing's on record except for the original system. So this was something that was done and not a permit pulled. So I'm not sure what is here, but it is a bull run valve, which runs two different field line systems. And so this one here, which is off, goes down through here and attaches onto a field line here. Now, this line here was completely packed full of roots, so I just got rid of the whole line. You can see some of the roots here, some over there, and some are buried over there. Huge piece buried over there. So I've shut this piece off. I've let it run through here and let it fill up the field line down there. The field line is working. It's slow though. So now I'm running this one. I've shut this one off, turn the valve, here's the valve, turn the valve, and now it's going into this system here, so we'll see what that does. We'll see if that takes the liquid. So what I'll probably end up doing, what I will end up doing is just running both, kind of running both systems. So let's see here. Where's my little wrench? And I will leave this wrench for this guy. I am so glad I brought this. Hang on, folks. Wrong way. There we go. Now watch. When I open it up, see it coming out? Oh, yeah. Like the salmon of Capistrano. Now we'll turn it a little and slow it up just a hair. Let it use kind of both systems. And hopefully that'll work, folks. Anyway, that is it. A field line repair. I'll put all this back together, hook everything back up. We'll be good to go. We'll see you.